Hi all. So in this short video, let me take you through the user interface of UiPath automation tool. So when you launch the UiPath Studio, you can see the options on the left hand side like open, start, templates, team, tools, and setting, help. So let me go through each one of these. The open. The open option provides you to launch the existing UiPath project. Right now I don't have any projects, but once we set up any project or when you build any project, that we can reopen it from the open option. The start menu. The start menu from where we can develop or build a project from the scratch. Here open a local project or we can clone the project from the version controls like Git, TFS, SVN. So UiPath supports the three main version control softwares or services Git, TFS and SVN. So the templates where we can see the or the built-in templates available for the development like background processes, orchestration process, robotic enterprise framework, transactional process, and etc. Team where we can see the repositories like version control repositories like Git and TFS, SVN, etc. Tools from where we can enable extensions which might require for the development like Chrome extensions, Edge extensions, all of these, even including Silverlight extensions also available. So we can enable these extensions on top of this UI Studio or UI project. Settings where we can see the number of settings for the UiPath Studio. The first one is the language. We can select the language which is available for the development. And next is theme. We can set the theme of this UiPath Studio, light or dark or whatever it is. And also we can reset to default by clicking on this reset settings option. So design, there are some more options available. We can set it up for the UiPath Studio. And locations, we can set the URL for the project and etc. Manage sources, the sources from where we can download the packages. Suppose if we need any packages related to .NET, we can use the NuGet.org or some other trusted sources where we can download the packages for the development of the project using UiPath Studio. License and profile where we can see the information about the license. We can change the license as well from community editions to the purchased version of UiPath Studio. And also we can see the profile of user, like we can choose from UiPath Studio to UiPath Studio X. So there is a major difference between the UiPath Studio and UiPath Studio X is, so UiPath Studio X is not having or not enabled all the features like customization, etc. So UiPath Studio X is suitable for business users who don't need any customized options or features. Again, team, it shows like we can enable the version control software services from the teams menu or option. So right now we have enabled all three. We can choose any one of these and we can integrate as well. Labs where we can do experimental work or R&D, research and development kind of work before released. And there is a help option where we can see all the product information, community forum. UiPath has a well developed community forum where we can post our queries and get it resolved by subject matter experts. And help center also available, and academy where we can get certified on UiPath automation tool, release notes, and survey also we can take, and also quick tutorial is available where we can see the all the tutorials or blogs related to UiPath Studio and its families in a single or centralized place. And on the right hand side, you can see the UiPath version, activation key, and also whatever the version which I'm using, like preview or stable. So these are information you can see on the right hand side. And this is all about UiPath interface. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.